Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find your starred elements in Canva using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the Canva app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, tap the plus button to create a new design or open an existing one. You need to be in the design editor to access your elements. Now tap on Go to Editor. At the bottom menu of the screen, slide all the way to the back. You will see an option that says Start. Tap on that and you will see all the elements you have previously starred or favorite. Scroll through your starred element and tap anyone to add it to your design. You can resize, rotate or recolor it just like any other elements. To add more elements to your starred list, tap on element in the library and then tap the star icon. It will now appear in your star section for future use. And that's all. That's how you find and use your starred element Canva on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.